everyone, it's Jean here, and today I'm sharing how I revamped all desk calendars at home for the year 2022. The materials needed are scissors, cutter, which is optional, glue, which is an alternative to double-sided tape. Here's an old desk calendar that I got from a contractor at work back in 2020. I just love it because of its material, which is thick and smooth. And here is a Minidesk calendar that I bought last year from a local craft store, which I love because it's light and small. I used a specialty black paper, which is my old stock at home, but you can definitely use any kinds of paper that you prefer. And here are my printouts for both calendars, which I designed using Canva. I went for a gray and yellow color palette, which I think is a good combination. As you can see, the theme I went for was zodiac signs. The zodiac sign I assign per month is based on the sign that starts within that month, which I think is usually around the 20th of each month. So it depends on you on what theme or design you would go for. You can also see that I included motivational quotes per month, which serves as my personal reminder whenever I look at the calendar. Again, I designed all of this using Canva. I just made use of their calendar templates and just modified it to my liking. Now let's start revamping the Minidesk calendar. So first, I cut the pieces per month. And as you can see, I also marked dates with yellow and gray. Yellow for regular holidays and gray for special holidays. I cut the edges to fit the paper on the white space of the Minidesk calendar. I stapled the papers together. I just made sure that the staples are in line with the markings to make it neat. Time to put double-sided tape at the back of the last page. Here you can also use a glue because putting together or putting double-sided tape takes much time. Using glue is a much quicker option. I just prefer using double-sided tape because for me it's more neat. Then finally, stick the stapled sheets on the white space of the calendar, ensuring the right spacing on all edges. The markings for the staple wire served as my guide to ensure that I can still see the months when I flip the pages. And we're done! Now let's start revamping the regular desk calendar. So first, I cut the pieces per month. And you can see that I also marked dates with yellow and gray for regular and special holidays. I used 6 pieces of black specialty paper. It's a letter-sized paper which is 8.5 inch by 11 inches. I cut it in half crosswise. We will stick the monthly calendar sheet on top of this. Just make sure that there are 12 pieces of it. Time to put double-sided tape at the back of each sheet. Again, you can also use here a glue because putting double-sided tape takes much time. Using glue is a much quicker option. I just use double-sided tape because for me it's more neat and accurate measurement it's a lot reliable. Then, stick the calendar sheets on the black specialty papers that were cut earlier, ensuring that the right spacing is there for all edges. And here you go, the finished product or the finished output for each month. Stick the finished sheets on the oldest calendar, making sure that the edges don't show any markings of the old calendar, just to make sure that everything is neat. And here are the finished outputs. I just loved how it turned out. It might have took me some time to make this, but the designs I saw at the shops didn't really fit to my taste, so I decided to design my own. That's all, and thank you very much for watching. I hope it inspired you to revamp your old items at home too. See you on my next DIY project, but you can also check out other videos on my channel. Bye!